Hello everybody and welcome back to the Java tutorials. Today we're going to be analyzing the base Hello World program in Java. We'll be connecting some of the code to Java's principles of it being an object-oriented language. So we'll be looking at how everything kind of fits into that kind of template. So let's go ahead and start from the beginning. So in Eclipse, I'm going to go ahead and create a Java project, and I'll call this let's call it YT tutorial. I'll use the latest JDK, the one you had installed. You can just click Finish. You don't need to create a module info; it's not necessary. And you see you have a package explorer on the left here. And to get started, let's just go ahead and create a class. So just right click on the source file and create a class, and I'll call this main. So the name is main, and then go ahead and click Finish. And you'll see that it generates, I'll actually zoom in a little, it generates a class. It's called public class main. So the first thing in Java we see, the name of the class in the file has to match the file name. So capital letters, everything has to match. So main.java has a class called main. Now let's go ahead and write the code. So in public class main, go ahead and say public static void main with lowercase m a i n, and then as in parentheses we're going to say string with a capital S and then square brackets args. So we're already seeing a lot of the principles here. So the class is the kind of outermost object in this file here, and then everything inside of that class is where the code's going to go. Everything inside this class is a part of that class. It's what the class will kind of refer to. Now this is called a method. So you call it to run code. If you have some experience with coding, this is pretty much just it's a function, it's a method, whatever you want to call it. So we're actually going to write the hello world here. So all it is system.out.println, and then we're going to say in quotes hello world. So how does this help us learn about object-oriented programming, or Java for that matter? Well, system is a class, and it's automatically imported from the Java library. So automatically every Java class has this line implied. So this is called an import statement. So import java.lang.star. So what this does is it takes the java.lang package, and that's like a default package accepted as a name in it. So I could put this in a name, let's say com.tutorial, and then I would have to put package com.tutorial at the top of this file here. But by saying import java.lang.star, we are importing all of the classes, all of the files from this package here. We could say import java.lang.system. I don't know if it'll let us. It will. Okay. So we just take one class, and this call here, system.out.println, is calling a method from a class. So system is a class, and it's just your it's associated with pretty much communication with the system. So input, output, files, that sort of stuff. Out is a member of that class. So we're going inside of the system class here. And this is just, you don't really need to know the specifics yet, but it's called a print stream. So we're essentially sending a stream of something to whatever this print stream is connected to, which happens to be the console. And then, so this is another class. This out is, think of it this way, out is a instance of the print stream class, and out is a member of the system class. So classes can have members which are instances of other classes too. It's encapsulation, all that stuff. It's pretty interesting. And then println is just println is just a method of the print stream class, and then we send in a stream of text, and it will then print it out. So we can go ahead and run it, and we get hello world.